I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side, coming back inside my body.
At the beginning of this year, I wanted to change the outlook of my house, and this is where I started from. So I sold all my furniture, and I said I'll do it at my own pace until I have like I changed this house into a home, because yes, it's a rental, but it is where I am. It's where I spend most of my time, because most of the time I'm also working from home. So I wanted it to be a conducive space that I can do my work and do everything that I need to do in peace. So I had taken out everything in this first part of the clip, and even the cabinet that had all this stuff, I had taken it out, and I wanted to actually also sort everything out so that I have just stuff that are functional. And the first thing that I did is I looked for a fundi who did the painting for me. So I think the painting made everything really to pop. Like, it made my house look like it was a completely new space, because look at what we had on the walls. And just stick around and you'll see just in a couple of minutes what it came to. Also, I had holes that had been left behind because of pictures and also just natural wear and tear, that I also filled up with a filler. And this, guys, was what it was after I painted. I think there's a video linked of the whole painting video, and yeah, I have also linked the colors of the paints, mentioned the colors of the paint that I had done. And at this point, I hadn't done the door. I had not even decided what color I was going to do the door. That is the main door. But this is how the color scheme is now in the whole house. Now, guys, this is an update, and I hope that you enjoy this video really, because yeah, I have done my best. And also remember that a good number of things in this house, I thought about them and had them custom made, apart from the couch which I just bought. Yeah, and you will see it later on.
Flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time?
I have accepted that I am a plant person, because every time I think about the arrangement of the house, I have to think about where I'm gonna place my plants. So this rack, I don't know it's a rack, I don't know it's a what. It was made for me by just a local fundi at a very cheap price actually. But I don't think I'll keep it long term. I think I'll upgrade to something, yeah, something else that is better. But for now, I'm gonna use this. So I found out that giving or just placing it behind my couch, it saves on a lot of space. It actually, like, it's not there, because that is like a space of one tile, around one tile, so it doesn't take a lot of space. And also it gave me space behind the couch actually to put other things. So like this ladder that I keep my blankets that I use in the living room, I have placed it there. You see, it's behind the couch also, and it has fit in perfectly. And then at the corner, I have my exercise mat or rug, and then there's a small table. And then there is a vacuum cleaner. This is a dry vacuum cleaner that I got from I don't know where I got it from one of those export groups. So that is what I have. And then this box over here, I throw in small items that are just lying around, like mats, remotes, like chargers that I'm not using because I don't like clutter. So I throw everything in there. And then I also have this old school radio. I know I'll upgrade, but right now there is other things to do. But I have this radio that I'm using. Actually, I rarely use it, but yeah, that is what I have if I want to use. And then this pillow is hiding the socket behind it. And then these are just like extra pillows and cushions if I need extra space for people to sit on. And I really love this corner. This cabinet, I had it made at Outer Ring Road by those fundis along Outer Ring Road who make metal and wooden stuff. So this one I had it custom made there. There's a video, actually a comprehensive video. If you go back, you will see it, how I customize it, because it wasn't this. It was just the wooden boring finish, and I painted it to this beautiful color that really blends in with the color of the house. So you can go and check out. And this is how I've accessorized it for now. I am 100% sure that I will change the accessories with time. But for now, this is what we have. Nimeongea sana, I forgot to tell you guys to subscribe. So if you are new, please subscribe. And kama una watch and you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So this is my centerpiece, this tire table that I also made. Guys, you can actually again go back and watch how I made this one. It is very simple and you need just a few things to be able to make one for yourself. And as usual, I'm always looking at ways to find storage. And this is one of the places where I store my small stuff again. So normally I store my but I store stuff here. Yeah, stuff that I use in the living room all the time. You can even stuff in all your blankets in there. So this one is a perfect little coffee table. I don't know, it's a table, it's a coffee table. You can call it whatever you want, but it actually fits so perfectly in there. Halafu, I got this woven carpet from Isli. Hey, sijui kama kuna ingine, cause there might be, but the print, I think the prints change over time. So this is a woven carpet. At the end of this video, I'll show you extensively how it looks like. But it made my house pop. It made everything just to pop and to come out. And I'm also now thinking to change my wall art because it's not giving again. When I made it, I liked it, but again, I don't like it so much right now. So I don't know what I'll do in future, but for now, this is what we have. So these woven carpets can be gotten in Isli. If you like the boho style, then this is for you. So this couch is an L seat. I got it from Dinku. Yeah, from Dinku Furnitures. So I thought about arranging it in like this whole house. I wanted to arrange it in an L-shaped kind of thing, but it was looking funny and it was taking up a lot of space. So I wanted to have it looking like I wanted to have it looking nice and looking linear. I think I like things that look linear. It's just my personal style. So I have everything like around in a rectangular shape. Yeah, something like that. And I absolutely love the couch. By the way, it's very comfortable. I think it will serve me for some time. I'm not sure about the longevity, but yeah, I don't plan to have it for so long, but this is it and I love it, and I love how it also blends. It's a dark shade of gray. Yeah, you can check out Dinko, and this is not an ad because I haven't been paid.
As you fade away.
Above every socket in my house, I have these little paintings that are a motivation to me. If you like it, you can also do it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So now from the door, I have this stand where I put my shoes. It was meant to be a shoe rack. It was meant to be a plant stand, but I repurposed it. And then I have this water filter that I got from Unilever. Hii ni ya kufilter maji. It's not hot and cold. This is just cold water that is filtered, and that is it. And then I also had this table custom made. This area is actually incomplete because there is a bench that I will make later that needs to be sat on. So that bench, this table is supposed to act as my work table and also supposed to act as my dining table. So for now, it is just a table that I put things on it, but later on it will be my work table. So for now, I have this Wi-Fi station and the charging unit, there to charge my stuff. Alafu, I have this little basket-ish thing that I put a few snacks that I have in the house at the moment. And then I also have this cute little, I don't know, it's a pocket, from Ketepa, this one. So I put here my tea leaves that I have. So those are 90% of them are green teas. Apparently a fan uzee inabisha haraka haraka. And then I have these water bottles that I put my water for the day, literally to remind me to take water if I'm in the house, because if it's in the filter I won't take it, but if it is in the bottles, every time I look at it I remember. So this is my incomplete space. So there's a bench, and then there is a work chair, and then I think I'll put a plant. I don't know, I'll put something. And this is my carpet. This is my carpet up close. So guys, thank you so much for sticking around in this video. I hope you have enjoyed it and it has given you a hint of colors and a style. Maybe if you dig the same type of style, then it has given you a hint. So asanteni sana for keeping it here. Thank you for watching. Please share, please like, please subscribe. I've been working hard on YouTube, guys. Please subscribe and please share me out so that YouTube can give me more recommendations on the platform. So thank you guys, and God bless you as you enjoy the rest of the video.
Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time?